Yeah, baby, that's what I want to see. Oh yeah, really nice Dorado. Woo. Yeah. You catch bonita or blue runners or what?
Yeah, it's the blue runner and bonita and the here the sabiki.
Sabiki's okay.
Yeah.
Blue runner, bonita. Ooh, oh yeah. Look, wow, there's a bunch of them down there. Holy.
That's nice. We go trolley for bonita. It's small.
Small bonita?
Yeah, the spoon is good for catch bonita. Planer.
Planing. Is it down? Right?
Yes.
Tíralo ahí.
We got dolphins that are excited. Everybody's fired up right now. And we are slow trolling a blue runner or bonita?
Blue runner.
William has got us right in front of this porpoise. And there's spinners and bottlenose dolphin in here. And you can see them right here. I mean, they're coming right into us or right through us. And the idea is to let that bait out right into it, sink it out, and then come up and eat it.
Oh my God, he's a giant.
Oh my God, he's trying to gobble it.
Oh my God!